Let's start how to download videos from where. Of course, from Facebook. Right. Let's use a browser means this one, Google Chrome, and let's go to Facebook, or you can type here Facebook. So this is Facebook, and let's find a video. Let's find a video. Oh, let's just go to Mark Zuckerberg. Yes, he recently uploaded. This is the what? The founder. Let's change to Geo. My net is getting slow. Mark Zuckerberg is happy. Was live. You see, I can download this live from New York. I can directly play. It's playing now. And if I click here, like press here on the video, and you can download it. Let's pause this. When I press here, I can the download, that thing is not coming out, so I have to play it. And when I press now, it is showing. So you can download it. Let's go to my profile and download it from my profile. Yeah. Let's. This is a short video. You see, I can download it, and it is downloading. Completed. Now it is on my folder. I can share it. I can share it this as a YouTube, or I can share it as a WhatsApp video, or I can upload it on Facebook. It is there on my profile. Now let's check out with other Facebook apps. First, let's try with this Facebook Lite. Let's go to my profile. Let's see whether I can download it from there or not. Here, when I press here, nothing is showing. No option is coming out, but it will play. This video is loading. Let's check out. Let's check out from here. From here, I can save this video, but when I save this here, it will not be found. Let's check out. It is safe, but I don't know where it will be. Let's check. Go to my gallery and see. Yes. Recent one is this is the video I downloaded from Google Chrome, but the one that I just recently saved, it is not here. Download, it is not here, so there is no option. Let's go to Facebook again. I have a habit of closing the apps that I don't use it. Let's go to what? Mark Zuckerberg again. Where is Mark's here. And let's check out whether I can do it from others profile, not from myself only. There is also no option. I can only save this video. Save means when I save this video, it will be here only. I cannot share it. It is saved. It is on my device, but under where? Under the under this if it is save items. There's save items. How to use favorite shopping on these things I save. Let's remove these things and save. I can play this thing without using extra. Oh, here I will use archive visuals. Now let's try it from Facebook man if here also. Let's go to Mark, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. Mr. Mark Zuckerberg is here, and there is no option to download this video. I can download this video, but it will be I cannot share that downloaded video. It will be on my device only under the Facebook if it's not shareable. So to download a video, what we need is a browser. Browser means Google Chrome or UC browser. To download a browser, let's check out how to download a browser. Let's type anywhere browser. BROWSER browser. So these are the browsers. What the internet is slow. Let's go. Geo is not working. Let's use Wi-Fi. Browser. What is happening? What is happening? Now browser. Mozilla is fast now. Chrome speed fast. Let's search a browser again. You see, these are all browsers. So, but Chrome is the best. I don't know whether I can download it using Opera Mini or not. So that's it. Let's stop.